98.7. What's normal again?
98.6. But
Oh, I'm burning up. Dramatic? My left nostril is 20% clogged and you're calling me dramatic? Babe, my tummy hurts now.
oh, I'm sorry.
I get your whole C-section thing that you did last week. Babe, ow! Babe, it says the bubonic plague symptoms were fever, chills, headache, and weakness.
You don't have the bubonic plague.
Yeah, of course I don't have the plague, because I also have a sore throat, so I actually have more symptoms than that. Babe, if I don't make it through this, tell my family I love them.
You have a cold. You're gonna be fine.
How could you even say, you don't know how I'm feeling? These coughs are brutal.